Story of Sammy, the Seed by Ms.SarahandDuckling. Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, there lived a little seed named Sammy. Sammy dreamed of growing into a big, strong plant. One day, a gentle breeze carried Sammy to a cozy spot in the soil. With a big stretch, Sammy pushed out roots into the ground. "Hello, Earth! I'm here to grow," Sammy chirped. As the days passed, Sammy's roots grew deeper and a tiny green shoot popped out of the soil. With each day, Sammy's shoot reached higher, becoming leaves that danced in the breeze. "I'm getting taller," Sammy exclaimed. Bees and butterflies came to visit, spreading pollen from flower to flower. Soon, Sammy's leaves turned into buds, which burst open